Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making a nice material in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package over here. ChenJD released this package 6 years ago. A Unity materials shader. Uh, um, I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of this package and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should take a look at this package. It has different kind of effects, but what's matter is the glass dragon. Look at this. It is really beautiful. Look at this. Even you can see the background, but it's really a beautiful effect. Here you can do whatever you want by changing the parameters of this material. ChenJD Glass Dragon. Here you can change the ATR ratio or base scale or power. Look at this. For example, if we do something, keep it. Look at this. It can be something like this here, but I wanna show you something else. I already have this Typhoon fighter jet 3D model here, and now if I add this material to this object, sorry, let me do this glass dragon and select all children of this Typhoon fighter jet and add this glass dragon to this. Okay, I have glass fighter jet Typhoon with the cockpit, glass cockpit. Oh yeah, this is really beautiful. Look at this. This is really good. It can be glass or ice. Okay. In the different folders we have different kind of effects. For example, explosion and sand effect. Look at this. We have this statue over here, and if I click it, boom, it explodes. It's really beautiful. Or here we can have, for example, a snow track. If I play the scene, and now if I move this collider, this capsule, look at this, this is a normal one, but if I move, look at this, it digs a snow track here. However, it's not high quality, but it's fine, almost fine. Look at this. Excellent. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.